Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, open the Excel workbook and select the worksheet you will export. Set the print area to the exact cells you want included in the PDF. Open the Page Layout tab and choose Orientation as Portrait or Landscape to fit layout needs. Next, set paper size to letter or A4 depending on your region. Use margins to choose normal or custom margins for neat edges. Finally, use scale to fit or set custom scale percentages for correct sizing. To export, choose File and then Save as from the main menu options. Pick a folder and click the Save as Type drop-down to select PDF as the format. Name the file and set Optimize for standard for high print quality or minimum size for online sharing. Click Options to include specific pages, Publish selection, or include document properties. Check Open File after publishing to immediately view the PDF in your default viewer. Finally, click Save to create the PDF file. An alternative method uses Print to create a PDF from Excel quickly. Select File, then Print and choose Microsoft Print to PDF or a PDF printer driver. Under Settings, pick Active Sheets, Entire Workbook, or Selection depending on what you need. Set paper size, orientation, and scale in the print settings to ensure correct layout. Click Print and then choose a save location and file name when prompted by the PDF printer. The PDF will be generated and saved to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.